Welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, don't forget to subscribe. I mean, you're already here, so you might as well subscribe and hit the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? So, despite the obvious, I'm losing my voice. I just haven't been getting much sleep lately. It's currently like dead week. Next week is finals week. But I decided to take a break and film a room tour. Now, disclaimer, my room is not cute. This is strictly for educational purposes, okay? I may show some of my friends' rooms that are over the top, perfect Pottery Barn looking rooms straight out of the magazine, but I will show my room. So here's a little backstory about my room. I currently go to the University of Iowa. I live in the dorm called Mayflower, and I did have a roommate, but sadly she decided to transfer. So go her. Hey Lauren, I miss you. And so now I have my own room. So the way that Mayflower works, for those of you wondering that may be coming to school here, it's 4 people in a room, but it's technically 2 people to each room, and we're connected by our own kitchen and our own bathroom. Not every dorm works this way. We are the only dorm that has our own kitchen and our own bathroom. All right, I've got my camera. Let's go. All right, let's go in. So it's really dark in here. So I'm going to be very extra and pull out some studio lights. So just 1 second. Okay, so this is a lot better. So right away, here is just a little overview for y'all. This is the first section of my room. Okay, so right away, when I close the door to the left, I've got some command strips going on. I'm also going to be giving some college tips that I'll put at the bottom of the screen throughout the video. Alright, here we go. Like I said, some command strips, very essential that you get those because you can't make holes in the walls. Okay, like I mentioned before, I did have a roommate, but she did end up transferring at semester, so I do get both of the desks now. So for this desk, this main desk is where I do most of the crying on top of my math homework and where my tear stains are left. Moving on to the next desk. This is what I use primarily now as a vanity, I would per se call it. And then on top, moving 1 level up, is where I keep all of my lanyards. College tip number 2, do not buy a college lanyard because they will give them to you for free. I've gotten all of these for free from orientation, recruitment, orientation, tour. I got all of them for free. And then I just keep my sunglasses here, some stamps, and random stuff that I just need to keep and I don't know where to put. On top is where I keep my beloved big little gifts that I got from my big that she made me, and I love all of them. Thank you so much, Maureen. I love you. This is what we've got going on with the wall situation over here. It's such a cool looking brick wall. I didn't know what to do besides put pictures on it, so I put some inspiration on here, words of wisdom, Audrey Hepburn, and some little things that I cut out from a magazine. Over here, we have a disaster, okay? College tip number 3, do not bring all your who's it, what's it clothes to school, okay? Nobody wants to see them. On top, college tip number 4, I recommend that you buy a cheap towel or something like that to put your towels on top of. And that is about it for this section, besides this cute little wall. This is one of my best friends. Her name is Jacqueline, and she's literally got the sweetest heart in the world. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see her in a week. I love you so much, boo-boo. I will see you in a week. Mwah. Okay, so I did move the lights over to the main part of the room, but I did mention I do have my own bathroom, so this is it right here. It's about to get super loud because the lights are connected to the fan, but here we go. Okay, so what we've got going on, hello, is my side of the sink. I have my own sink. My sweet mate Alyssa has her own sink. We have our own shower, and we have our own toilet, which is the bomb because all of us, well, I shouldn't say all of us, both of us can use the whole bathroom to get ready for class at the same time, so it's pretty dope. That is my sweet mate's room. Her room is literally exactly like mine. And so, yeah. Once we step out of the bathroom, we have another closet, you guys. The storage in this dorm is so crazy, but so amazing. I just have a bunch of jackets, coats, winter stuff, nice stuff, and then we have a little pantry, and then I also keep my most worn shoes out here. So this is the rest of my room. I brought the studio lights out again, me being extra. Who knew? Alright, so this is the rest of the room, you guys. I love my room so much. It's not the cutest, but it does the job. Okay, magically turned all the lights off. This is what it looks like with the cute little push lights. It's so adorable and it gives such a good vibe. College tip number 5, do not, and I repeat, do not buy from the catalog, okay? So after you accept from the school, they're gonna send you like a pamphlet or a catalog saying like, congratulations, blah, blah, blah. Here are some sheets you can order, blah, blah, blah. $250 is the deal. No, 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 no. Do not buy it, guys. My stupid butt bought it because I didn't know that you could buy sheets, twin extra large dorm sheets at Target, Walmart, Pottery Barn, TJ Maxx, anywhere. Who knows where. You can buy them, all of those places, for less than $20, and I didn't know that, so I was like, oh, I need to buy the special sheets. These sheets are the worst sheets I've ever gotten in my life. They're literally so thin, and they keep you cold, and I could have purchased some from Walmart, Target, or TJ Maxx for literally a fraction of the price, and they could have been pretty good, and I'm really sad about that. But we're not going to complain anymore about it because the past is the past. So yeah. And then I keep my hats and some winter hats back there. College tip number 6, don't buy any hats. You will get all of these hats for free. I got all of these hats for free, you guys. The Victoria's Secret pink tour bus came to our school, and I didn't even buy anything. I got these hats for free. Like, you do not need to buy any hats. I mean, you can if you want to, but you'll get them for free at events. And then on the other side of the bed, I have my winter hats and my winter headbands, and then I got this cute little pink bag. Again, I didn't buy anything, but they gave it to me, so I'm not gonna complain about it. On this, the ceilings are super high too. On this wall, I have some little motivation thingies, little poster decal thingies that I got in this canvas, okay? The story behind this canvas is I had a seminar with the dean of the Tippy College of Business. He mentioned is to come up with these power phrases that can leave you starting the day on a positive note, increasing your availability to open mindset for the day. So my power phrases come from here. Across here on the next wall, I have this little wall of pictures, okay? I love this thing so much. I promised my roommate, like, I'm gonna do something to this wall, blah, blah, blah. Because we had a recliner here, but it was hers and she took it away. And I was like, we need to decorate it or something. And it took me like half a year to actually do it. Like, all I did was talk and say I'd do it, but I never actually did it. But I finally did it. And I just have a lot of cute pictures of me. That was my old roommate. I know she's gonna watch this, so hey. And then pictures of me and my brother, my friends, Jacqueline, family, my big, cute, my friends, Isabel, sorority. Just lots and lots of memories that I will love and cherish forever, and I love to look at them. This was a graduation present, one of my graduation presents from my parents, and I know it's just a flag, but it meant a lot to me because Anyone that knows me knows I love my glitter, okay? I love glitter. But my parents hate glitter. They actually made me stop buying them because they just hated it so much. But the fact that my dad got me this glitter banner meant so much to me. Even though he hates it, he got it for me. So I know he loves me. And it's reversible too, you guys. I got this, well, my dad got this. He said he ordered it online at like NCAA or something like that. And then throughout my room, I have these twinkle lights, okay? College Tip 7, get twinkle lights. Guys have them too. They just put a vibe to the room, and it's nice to sleep too because dorm rooms get really dark at night. These were my roommates. I think she got them on like Amazon or something like that. So check that out. They shouldn't be more than like $20. Okay. So then I have this table. I got this table from Walmart for like $11, you guys. Don't get an expensive table because it's going to get ruined or stained or who knows what. Again, with the bed. Ugh, let's go on. Ugh. So I have these little push lights that are so cute. They're so cute, and they're so helpful. I don't always want all the lights on, so I will just push all of them on when I just need to read or use my computer, or I have some friends over and I'm just chilling. It just puts you in the vibe to just be productive and cute. I don't know what to say about that one. But my parents got me another banner, which is super cute. And then I just have these little wall decal things that I got. I think I got them from, what is that place called? Not Urban Outfitters, is it? I think it is Urban Outfitters. Yeah, at the Mall of America. They were like $1, so why not? And then, these are the same ones that I got on my other wall, like everywhere. Like they were $1 at Urban Outfitters. Same with the Audrey Hepburn one. Okay, so that's my bed station. I have the most beautiful view. Okay, I don't have the most beautiful. Some people have better ones, but this is my view. Maybe this is why I have so many bugs, because I live in the forest, literally. I'm pretty high up. And yeah, here's the parking lot. We do have a parking lot. You do have to pay to park there. And college tip 8, if you can get your parents to get you a moped, do it. They are so cool, so dope. Almost everybody has them on campus. All the athletes have them, and they're so cool. You don't have to be an athlete to get one, but they're just very convenient. And yeah, we also have a bonfire pit over there, so that's pretty cool. It gets used on the daily too, so lots of stuff happening in the flower. That's what we call it, Mayflower, the flower. And then we have this. I moved the studio lights. This is my little glitter, more glitter, are you surprised? My glitter poster thing. And then I have a mood vision board. Lamp from my room, it was from like JCPenney. And then I have this thing from like Walmart. And it keeps all my cords, just so many, yeah. And then I keep my real bowls, real plates, and toiletries in the last one. I have like tiny water bottles and big water bottles. I just keep them there. And then some paper plates and some bed risers that are old. My studio lights normally just sit behind this wall. I use them actually pretty more often than you think. I use them like probably like once or twice a week. Me and my friends always take pictures here, or people in the hall need LinkedIn pictures, so I've got them on that one. But that's about it. When we have like sorority events or we're going out to the town and we want some cute pics before we go, this is where we take them. And yeah, if we scoot along over, I did mention we have our own kitchen. And this is where I eat my feelings away. Ugh. It's nothing extravagant, it's just really basic, but it's very nice, you guys. If you live here, you've got an advantage over yourselves. You can get a smaller meal plan because you can cook, and it's just really nice on those late nights that you just want to cook something, okay? So that's pretty cool. That is my room, you guys. As promised, I did say my room wasn't that cute, so I'm gonna take you guys to one of my friend's rooms that is much cuter, okay? Cute. She's literally in the process of moving out, but I just had to show it because it's the same room as mine, but it's just so cute the way that she decorated it. Like literally everything's gone because she's graduating, but super cute what she did to the back wall, all of her DIY canvases. She has a futon, and yeah, super cute. Alright, so there you have it. That was my room tour. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for when I post. I have so many fun videos coming up, and I'm so excited about them. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Time with no reply. Text your phone with girl, come